I'm absent mentally.
Guys, raise your hand if you're absent.
All right. Shh. So this is 7th grade. This is on page 113. It's the mid-topic checkpoint. And you can see that I've circled 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then down at the bottom, 5 and 6. Also, there's a chart over here for you to fill out. I want you to fill those out. Turn to page. Mid-topic performance task, page 114. It says the school's theater club is building sets that will make ordinary students look like giants. The actors need a door, a table, and a stool that will make them look almost twice as tall. So it says the height of the objects in the set are proportional to the actual height of the objects. It says complete the table. Okay? So think about the information they gave us here. And it says the door actual height is 80 inches and the height on the set is going to be 44. Now notice that it said, look, almost twice as tall. So not twice as tall, but close to it. Well, if it made them look twice as tall, exactly twice as tall, the height on the set would have been, let me pull a stick here, would have been what, Mr. Anderson?
40.
40 inches, obviously. Yeah, nicely done. Put up 100 points, all right? So fill this out and then write down what the constant is. And if you forgot what the constant is, just go back a couple pages to the lesson that we just graded. Part B, it says, how can the stage manager use the constant of proportionality to find the dimensions of any new props the director requires? And then finally, C, what should the height of a can of fruit juice be used as a prop if its actual height is 7 inches? And it says, show your work. Underline that. I want to see your work to calculate that. Okay? So with the students that are absent, there's a couple that are absent today. You can just turn this in when you guys come back tomorrow or the next day. But this is due, these 2 pages is due today. So in other words, you guys have to work on it now, and we're going to grade it in about a half an hour, because it shouldn't really take you any longer than that to work on these. Okay? Questions? When you're done, there's going to be a Math XL also. So do this first, because we're grading this today, and the Math XL for 2-4, that'll be due tomorrow. Question?
Would we have homework in that case?
Well, if you finish, for this, it's due today, so this would not be homework. This is classwork. The Math XL, if you don't get that done, that would be considered homework. Other questions?